Welcome to our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. In this tutorial, we will guide how to use ChatGPT. To access ChatGPT, go to the URL chat.openai.com. To use ChatGPT, you need to sign up and create an account. You cannot use it without creating an account. To sign up, click on the Sign Up button. You can create an account by entering your email address, or you can log in through your Google or Microsoft account. After completing the sign-up process, click on the Login button to log into your account. For example, I am using my Microsoft account to log in into ChatGPT. After logging in, you can access the ChatGPT dashboard. This is a chatbot, so you can use it like you are having a conversation with someone. You can chat with the ChatGPT by typing in the text box given below. For example, let's ask ChatGPT some questions and see what it answers. When was the internet invented? Now let's ask the ChatGPT to write a short story. Please write a short story on a cat and puppy. As you can see, the answer is much more intelligent because it is based on an AI algorithm that is much more powerful than all previous chatbots. Let's suppose, if we are starting a blog, we need a content writer for it. ChatGPT can solve this problem. We can get any type of unique article from ChatGPT for our blog. In ChatGPT, we can create multiple conversations. All our conversations remain saved, and we can access them from the left sidebar on the dashboard. To start a new conversation, click on New Chat. We can create one conversation about blog articles and another about how to do SEO for the blog. Each conversation has its own context, and ChatGPT will answer our questions according to the conversation we are having. For example, if we ask something earlier in the conversation, it will remember it. We can delete a specific conversation. We can rename a specific conversation. If we come down after the conversation tabs, we have the option to clear all conversations. If we click, it will ask for confirmation, and after our confirmation, it will clear all the conversations that we have with ChatGPT. The next option on the left sidebar is Dark Mode. Dark mode in ChatGPT refers to the use of a dark color scheme in the user interface, which can make it easier to view content on screens, especially in low-light environments. After dark mode on the left sidebar is OpenAI Discord, where we can interact with the ChatGPT community on Discord. ChatGPT is versatile. It is not limited to a few things. It has the ability to debug computer programs, compile music, write student essays, answer test questions, write poetry, song lyrics, and play games like tic-tac-toe. The idea is that you will use it in your daily life. Whatever you are working on, you can try this. To prevent offensive outputs from being presented to and produced by ChatGPT, queries are filtered through OpenAI's company-wide moderation API, and potentially racist or sexist prompts are dismissed. Things to consider. Currently, ChatGPT is free, but they have plans to charge for the service, so we are not sure when it will become paid. People are asking about the mobile app, but since OpenAI doesn't have a mobile app for ChatGPT, we can only use it as a web version on a desktop or mobile browser. Another limitation of the ChatGPT is that the data is not 100% correct, so you need to pay attention to the generated output, and human intervention is needed. The data available on ChatGPT is only until 2021, which means the system has no knowledge of events after 2021, or real-time data are not connected to the internet. It also does not know the current days or current week's happenings. That's it for our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. We hope that you now have a better understanding of this powerful tool and how it can be used for your projects. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.